This is the 2022 Nissan Navara, which is going for 534,900. It is a category A, meaning you can finance the car. So you're looking to pay 9,963 per month. It has 58,099 kilometers on the clock. This bike has a 2.5 liter turbo diesel engine, producing 140 kilowatts of power and 450 newton meters of torque. It can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in 14 seconds with a 7-speed automatic transmission and a fuel tank capacity of 8.1 liters per 100 km and a fuel tank capacity of 80 liters. According to the Decra report, this car it is roadworthy. So this car it is coming with a roller shutter, tow hitch. Everything on this car it is still okay. As you can see, the side profile of this car, there's no dent, there's no scratches. All the windows are tinted. This car is still in a good condition. So the interior, you have a multifunction steering wheel, your leather seats, your 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The car, it is still in a good condition, as you can see. If you need a workhorse, just go to Joburg South, you'll find this car.